ग्रामसभेत गावांतल्या सगळ्यांची हजेरी महत्वाची। 20-30 बोडकां ग्रामसभेत येवन जो थाराव घेता तो सगळ्यांचेर लागू जावपाक शकना। सगळ्यांची मान्यताय महत्वाची अशें पंचायत मंत्री मवीन गुदिन्हो सांगता।
See, anything I say or the government says is bound to be criticized by the opposition. That is their job. It is not that I am per se against Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha is an important part of the whole functioning of the panchayats under the Panchayati Raj. But it does not mean that a small motley crowd gathers and hold the whole village to ransom by passing a resolution which actually is not the wish of the other people dwelling in that area. And that is what is happening. We have got innumerable complaints from different quarters of Goa that at a Gram Sabha only one small group comes. They literally do dadagiri. They literally assert themselves much more than others, almost even threatening people at times. So is it a good trend what is developing in Goa? Gram Sabha is something where everyone should participate from that particular village panchayat, at least a good majority. If they give an opinion, everybody is bound to respect that opinion. Otherwise you show me, that's why we had recommended videographing all the Gram Sabhas, because to ascertain how many people, you show me one Gram Sabha where there are thousands of people in a village panchayat, you know, there are thousands of people residing. It's just a few, not even 100 sometimes, 30-40 people dictating terms to the entire village. And on inquiry, what our officers' videos also have been reporting is many times it happens that these particular people, particular group of people tries to manipulate the opinion of others and don't allow others to speak. So while Gram Sabhas are an important part of the functioning of panchayats, we are applying our mind as to not only video recording the whole thing, to also see and analyze through our officers. We will see that an important officer also is present to report to us as to how that actually happened.
तशेंच न्हयांचे राष्ट्रीयकरण हे गोंयच्या हिता खातीर केंद्र सरकारान करपाक सोदता। गोंयचे राष्ट्रीयकरण म्हळ्यार गोंयच्यो न्हंयो केंद्राक वयच्यो ना म्हण पंचायत मंत्र्यान स्पश्ट केला।
It is very clearly said and enunciated in those very wordings of this that the 133 rivers are being dredged, or work is being done on rivers to make them more navigable, to spend money on improving the water in the channel, or dredging and other such related works. That is being done in national interest. That is what is said. Now, something being done in national interest, does it amount to nationalization? Can you lift a river and take it to Delhi and say it is their property? Or will their officers come and look after it? It is our same river navigation department or captain of ports which will look after our rivers. It is not that they are going to descend and start looking after that and take it away from us. And Honorable Chief Minister is on record and he has been very careful even while drafting the MOU. Additional care has been taken to guard the interests of Goa, to guard the actual ownership of these rivers. So there is no question of handing it over to the center. And what for? Center will want some waters in Goa. It is in our interest that they spend some money. It is in our interest that they dredge the rivers. It is in our interest that they make it more navigable. You know, some of our rivers have become unnavigable with the silting and all that. Do we have the money to spend? So if center says we are going to spend money for you, for that you have to sign a MOU for that. What is wrong in that?
RDX खातीर दाबोळेच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा।